Hi guys, back again with me Rin-Lee. Today I will make Faux Freckles makeup. First apply sunscreen all over your face, and then I use BB cushion from TheFaceShop. Apply it all over your face. Next, I am using Flair 88 Pact powder. I dab on my eye bag and also all over the face. For my brow, I use SASC X Titan Tyra. Apply bronzer all over your cheekbones and jawline. And also your forehead. Shade your nose. And apply some on your crease. Using blush, apply it on your lid as an eyeshadow. Using Maybelline gel liner, I use the dark brown color. Stroke a straight line on your eye. And also below it. Use your blush and make a circular motion on your cheekbone, besides your eye and under your eye. And don't forget the tip of your nose. Clip your eyelashes. Using the gel liner and dot some freckles on your nose and near your eye. Reapply your blush and shade your nose so that your freckles will look natural. Next, I apply some cream highlighter from CoverFX. Retouch it with pressed powder highlighter from Focallure. Apply on cheekbones, tip of your nose, and I try on false lashes. I think it's better with false lashes on. Add some shadow liner on your eye, just on the tip of it. And don't forget your lipstick. I use Airy Velvet on my lip. That's all. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.